Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to open a box on a brand new, we bought Insignia gravity, zero gravity massage chair. And this is the big box. Considering I'm like 5'5", it's almost halfway. It's a good big size. If we look at my hands, it's really big box. So boxing is big, kind of decent size, wide, almost half of my body here. And I bought it from the Best Buy. The box is really big and heavy. uh, Bought it from the Best Buy on Black Friday. The regular price was 2,499, something around 2,500, and I bought it for 999. It's a really good deal. Let's see how good it is. I'm gonna open the box. See you in a minute. So finally we have unboxed it. Check it out. It was a huge box. The package is in, nicely air bubble thing on it, and now it took me good like 10 minutes to take the box off. Let's remove the thermocol part of it. Okay, it's kind of, you can see a decent size packaging. So people buying with the small houses, you really need to consider the size of your house before you buy it. It's a big check. Okay, that's side one. Remove from the other side. Second one. Okay, and it has a decent packaging in here. And let me open it up, the whole thing side up, and I'll be back with you guys. So finally we unboxed the chair, Insignia chair. Now I'm going to show you one technical thing, which is right behind, underneath here. If you can please come over this side. The connection, the most important part. So here's the connection. There's a cable right there. It goes in the power plug right here, right there. I hope you can see it right there. And this is the plug. I'm gonna plug it in the power cable. Okay. And then the second thing is, this one is for the remote. And they have given a very nice silver colored adapter that you can see it even in the dark places. I just plugged it in. And here's the on and off switch. It's probably in the bottom of the chair. And this one is a slider where you can slide it and you can lock it right there, so that way it doesn't come off easily. So now your plug is in, your power cable is in, your remote cable is in, and now I'm going to turn it on. Right, I think sorry guys, I turn it off. Actually, it's turn it on. There you go, it's turned it on now. Here you go, it's turning on, going back to normal position. It was in a zero gravity position, and now it's coming back to its sitting position right now. It's very quiet and does not make any noise. So I'm going to show you the next step in a minute. So finally we have plugged in, everything is up and ready. The power, first time when you turn it on, the power here, you just have to hold on to it right here. So what happens is when you hold on, it comes from zero gravity to the normal sitting position, so you can sit in there. So now my first trial on Insignia massage chair from Best Buy. All right, nice and comfy. Somebody like my size, I'm at 150 pounds, very comfortable, nice genuine leather. I can feel it, and I'm gonna turn it on for the first time. Let's see. Okay, I just turn it on. It's sensing everything now. It's parts start moving, and it's taking me to the zero gravity. And now it's sensing my body. It start massaging in my leg now. my first impression, very comfortable, very easy to set it up. Of course, the box was very big. Oh, my legs are feeling great. The best part, you can push it. If you're a tall guy, you can push it and it extended. If you're a short guy, it comes better automatically. You can see it. I'm an average size guy, so here you go. Very comfortable. On a 5-star, I will give a 5-star to Insignia and Bestbuy. Very good product. I will use it for a week and I will give you the updates after 1 week. How is my experience? This is a Black Friday sale, so guys, it is an expensive chair. It's great to have a good deal of $9.99 from Bestbuy. Really appreciate Bestbuy. Thank you for offering such a great price to somebody like us who can really enjoy the comfort in our house. Peace, love, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. So my nephew is trying it now, and his name is DJ. DJ, how you feel?
Feels good in my legs.
Feels good in your leg. And now kids are enjoying. So guys, it's really a good massage chair where people can get relaxed, and you know, it's a reasonable priced. So do you give a 5-star, 4-star, DJ?
I say 5, yeah.
5-star?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for your review.